Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove ban from Telegram group. So basically, when a user is banned in Telegram, they are typically restricted from sending messages, joining groups or channels, or performing other actions depending on the specific circumstances of the ban. So to remove ban from your Telegram group, follow some simple steps with me. Make sure you have your Telegram on your device and your account logged in. Now open your Telegram and open the group that you want to ban the member and click on the group name, and over here click on edit. Now you can see the interface over here. Click on permissions and over here click on removed users. You can see the removed user here. Click on edit and remove the user like this. So this is how you can ban the user from your group. And go back. Now you can see the member has been banned from your group. This is how you can remove ban from your Telegram group. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.